Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 7.3-liter gas engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, the Lariat Ultimate, and the Black Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner as well with the tailgate step. We got side bed steps as well with a bed camera, a nice black platform running board with trailer tow mirrors that are blind spot detection. You got a side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, tow hitch, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system. Then you can lift up the seats and store things underneath, which is pretty handy. You got cup holders, 2 heated back seats, USB-Cs and 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty more door space up front, power door mirrors with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, you got your tailgate opener, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 27.6 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Now looking at our screen, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limits your distractions so you're not always looking down and you can keep your eyes on the road. You got your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, even tons of storage in your glove compartment, and you do get a little LED light back there. Storage here, wireless charging, outlets right there, and it does close. And if you need 2 more cup holders, you get 2 more. You got your drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here. And above me we do have our 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice rear window opener. We do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we have our hill descent just above our infotainment system. And looking here, we do have our audio, which we do get our normal Sirius XM, AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. You got your phone, English, geez. You have your navigation, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, your fave apps. Apps in general, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here. Settings. You do get personal profiles as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC26143, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.